I think we're ready for today. We're gonna pace it appropriately, and yeah, looking forward to it.
Yeah, I think the first day was a good intro into it, and very excited. Today's going to be a big day, but we should pace it accordingly, and yeah, I reckon we should be good. Yeah, we're going to have 7 hours on the bike, basically that's it.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! That's all my riders, got to Rolf and Johannes at the back. To our tender riser, Andre. Inspiration to all of us. Well done. To Milo, have a good ride there. Mia as well.
Dit is eintlik 'n lekker dag. Wind klim, kan net sit in 'n bondel sit en net op die einde kom.